And so, you find yourself wanting a convertible, yet you also want a hardtop. So you need to find a compromise in the middle, and luckily Porsche has you covered with the 911 Targa. More specifically this one, the 911 Targa 4S. So what is a Targa before I begin? The Targa is pretty much a hybrid of a Cabriolet and a hardtop. The Targa has a half soft top, half hard top roof, and you can fold it back to pretty much have a convertible. Why I say pretty much? Because not the entire top comes down, as I will demonstrate right now. As you saw, this top middle section is what comes down, while the rest stays up. This blend allows for a hardtop experience while being able to have the soft top experience. One of the greatest things about a Targa is you don't have to worry like you would on a Cabriolet with soft top maintenance. While yes, you still have a small portion of soft top, it's not going to wear down nearly as much as a typical soft top would. And a great bonus is this is fully automatic. It folds back as you just saw. What's powering the car is a 3.8 liter flat 6, producing 400 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque. And this is a 4S model, so this is pretty fast. It has a 0 to 60 time of 3.3 seconds. That's insane. And it has a top speed of 193 miles an hour. And that engine is mated to either a 7-speed auto or 7-speed manual. And this car is all-wheel drive. Quick tip, if the Porsche has a 4 after the name, it usually is a all-wheel drive model. And 4S means it has a little more power with the all-wheel drive. And this Targa top is pretty quick to fold back. It only takes about 20 seconds, which is not long. And I absolutely love this rear glass roof. Unlike a typical Cabriolet, you can see through this really easily. And as always, with 911s, you can't skip its stunning design. This is a 2016 911, so it's part of the 991 generation, and more specifically, the 991.1 generation. Mid-year, they did switch to the 99.2 generation, but this was an earlier 2016 one with the 991.1 styling. I absolutely love this styling. It has the traditional round Porsche headlights, which are modernized. Its front end is standard 911, and it's pretty much standard 911 all the way throughout the car. While it does hold traditional 911 styling, it is different obviously with the big rear glass. And I am a huge fan of this rear glass. And that rear glass ends at the silver parting where the soft top begins. And like always, the 911 is my favorite car of all time, so I am a fan. Just like many other people. In fact, 911s have some of the biggest following out of any car ever. Lastly with this design is the rear taillights. Now, the taillights on this have a kind of break in between, but it is tied in with this bar. Older 911s had a bar going across the back, yet they dropped that with later 911. However, it was an option on things like the 996, 997, and the 991. And now it's made standard with the newest Porsches, but this one looks great with this added option. Complementing the car are these 20-inch rims, which are the perfect size for a 911. Black was a good choice with this Targa top. But that's all for the exterior design. Let's hop inside and check out the interior. Sitting inside the Porsche 911 Targa 4S. One of the first things you notice in this interior is the carbon fiber accents. Those carbon fiber accents stretch across the entire interior. It's a subtle addition, but it does look nice. This interior is black and also has the Sport Chrono package, which includes this clock up here. I always find it fascinating when I'm sitting in a Porsche interior, they're two-door cars, the cup holder situation. Take a look at these unique cup holders. They pop out and are actually pretty strong. So don't worry about them breaking or anything like that, but it is kinda weird. But next to those cup holders, you have a screen which does have Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay is an amazing feature to have, and it's super easy to use. But in the center control stack, you have your gear selector, and you have other controls like raising and lowering the spoiler or changing it into Sport or Sport Plus mode. And you also have your AC controls up here. And one thing I definitely want to mention about this AC is, wow, it works fast. Earlier before I was recording, I wanted to cool down the car for just a second to make sure it wasn't too hot, because it is 100 degrees out. And when I tell you it worked in 10 seconds, it worked in 10 seconds. It just cooled this car down ridiculously fast. And I love that, especially when you're in Texas or Arizona or states where it's really hot. This is an amazing feature. Of course you have heated seats, but in this car you also have cooled seats. But the overall interior design is beautiful. Of course, it's a Porsche. Everything from the doors to the steering wheel to the center control stack, it just all flows so nicely. This car does seat 4. The 2 front seats are normal size, yet the rear seats are a little small. And the only people that'll fit back there are children or people that are not super tall. You won't be fitting full-size adults back there most likely. But they're not useless. You can fold them down for trunk space. Because there's no real trunk in this car. However, there is a front trunk. And that front trunk can actually fit a good amount of stuff. The last thing I want to mention is starting up this car. Just like any Porsche 911, it sounds fantastic. Porsche makes the best sounding flat sixes out of any company, and this 911 further proves my point. Anyway, let's move on to my final thoughts about this 911. And so, my final thoughts about this Targa 4S. I find pretty much zero faults with the 911. The 911 is seriously one of the cars I would call perfect, and that's why it is my favorite car of all time. And the 4S is a fantastic version of the 911. This combo of cabrio / hardtop is one that is very hard to find. There's very few cars that have this luxury of a fully automatic Targa top. And it is relatively hard to find a Targa. The Targa is the perfect blend between cabrio and hardtop. This is one stunning car with incredible performance numbers. You shouldn't pass up a car like this. This car right here was $117,000, yet it started at $137,000. And I say all $117,000 of those dollars are very worth it for such an incredible car that is hard to find. So go pick up one of these, and thank you for watching. If you're interested in cars like this, check out carricksautos.com and browse their many cool cars that you will fall in love with. They have everything from your next daily driver to your next exotic, and even cool off-road toys. You won't regret checking out their website or coming in today to Carrick's Autos in Plano, Texas.